Alright, this is pretty easy. Homemade pizzas. Get some hamburger buns, some pizza quick sauce, some pepperoni, some mozzarella cheese, and of course, some pineapple. And as you can see, this is the house of pineapples. We have them all over here because we love pineapple because it's good for you. Alright, so what you gotta do, it's really easy. This is my second time around because I just got done doing this. I go, hey, that was so good, I'm going to do it again. So we're going to do it again. So let's get some fire going. You want to keep your fire kind of on low. Low, because low's good. And this is what I did, and it worked for me. I'm not saying it works for everybody, but it worked for me. First thing I did is pre-cook the pepperoni. Now, I'm not a fan of pepperoni. I like to eat healthy, but it's all about taste. So, we're going to put some pepperoni down and let them cook. And what happens is the pepperoni will leave some grease in there that makes the next step a little bit easier. Now, last time I put 3 pepperonis on each half bun. There's 4 buns. 12 should be fine. We got 12. We're going to go a little bit heavier this. We're going to put 4 on each one. And it doesn't take long for these to get cooked. And it gives a grease on the pan. Keep a paper towel near you because this gets messy. Have a couple layers of tin foil laid out. So you got like a surface to put it on. Put your pepperonis back in a Ziploc bag, and when you get done doing that, it will be time to do the next step. Here's a close-up. Those are ready. Like I said, it doesn't take long. So, what we're going to do, put the pepperonis on a piece of tin foil. Okay? You just scoop them out. Careful, because it's hot. Very hot. The quicker you do it, the better. Okay, and set those down. All right. Now, next step. Take your buns, break them in half. Put them down in there. You want to just barely touch that pepperoni grease. Just a little bit. And that will give you something to fry this bread up with. Okay? This all happens pretty quickly. So you want to be prepared for your next step. Okay, well, I'll rotate these around a little bit so they get heated equally. They start to get a little toasted. Okay, next step. Take these buns off, set them down, and scoop up some pizza sauce on each of them. See what I did? All right, next step. Pepperoni is going down. Put your pre-cooked pepperoni back on top of your pizza sauce. Okay, there you go. Pizza sauce, pepperoni. Next step. The pineapple. Okay, now I'm not putting big heavy chunks on here. You can do whatever you want. I just kind of shred it into smaller pieces. And I'll show you when I get done how this looks. There we got the buns, toasted, pizza sauce, pepperoni, and pineapple. You know what the next step is? Cheese. Use any kind of cheese you want. I'm going to be traditional and use mozzarella. So, there's what we got. So you take these, put them back in there. Try to fit them on that small pan the best you can. And then you cover it. This is where you want to make sure it heats down. And be patient. Okay, heats down, covered. Now we gotta clean up our mess while it cooks. Okay, it's starting to smoke a little bit. It's pretty close. That works for me. So we set the tin foil down. Got something to put them on. Be careful, use a fork, not your hands, because they are hot. Turn this off. Yes, they are hot. Whoa, very hot. There you go, man. That's lunch. Ta-da!